And I'm much on top, but I can't find words.
This is not actual cooking. I feel ashamed to show you this.
You can't meet her right now.
I mean, it could be a good pattern interrupt if you want.
Yes, I'm just going to flip only for 2 or 3 seconds because
Okay.
I don't want to scare the people who are watching right now. So here we go. 1,
Oh my god.
2,
Oh my god.
come on,
Okay.
and 3.
Hello, how are you doing? Just going live very quickly to chat with you guys whilst making a sandwich. So we had lovely Wild Yogi. Hey Mansi, how you doing? We had the Wild Yogi training. Well, first of all, let's start with yoga. I'm so happy to be back on yoga. Last week I wasn't joining because of the challenge, which was challenging. Took a lot of energy. For those of you who are watching my videos more often, you probably know, because I shared it a few times before during challenges, how long or how much energy they take. But now I'm happy to be back. So we have month 2 with the Wild Yogis. Hey Apeksha, how did it go with your thing? Let me know by commenting below. But the Wild Yogis are now experiencing a advanced month. And there is now 2 times yoga per day. And it's 4 hours in total. And it's so nice. I missed you. I missed you too. Bree. Hey Holly. I just went on Instagram and I saw the nicest video of Jessica Alba. She's so nice and she's such an amazing entrepreneur. If you guys are on Instagram, which you guys are, if you're watching this, make sure to follow Jessica Alba. She's so good. She's such a kick-ass entrepreneur and she's so nice as well. Did you guys know that she owns a $1 billion company? And she was the one who created the idea and everything. So good. Buonasera. Nice. Where are you from, Holly? I'm awesome as I see you. Aw, that's so sweet. Well, I'm awesome because I see you. And I'm feeling very, very, very excited for my sandwich. Have you guys eaten already? I just came. Oh yeah, I was telling my day. So started with yoga. Then there was the Wild Yogi training, which was, I didn't have to do much, but I was there and working at the same time. And then after that, there was the yoga session, the evening yoga session. And then after that, I had a call with some Wild Yogis. And then in a moment, I have one more call. And then I have some more ads to launch, which I'm very excited about. So this is going to be an Instagram ad. So you guys stay put. You'll probably see my ad come by very shortly. It's really cool. It's the one that we shot in Bali with my family. It's really, really nice. I love it a lot. A request to be in the live video. I've never done that before. Let me just see if it can do. Go live. It's 2:30 a.m. Oh wow, why aren't you sleeping? I have. Hey.
Why am I not sleeping? 'Cause, hey!
No, not talking to you, to Mansi. No, you're still normal. How are you doing?
How am I doing?
Hey, you got
Great.
Sap in the house as well? Hey, you should sing a song. Sing a song on my Instagram live.
Sure. Have you seen Lady Gaga's film, Star is Born?
Yes, I have.
Did you like it?
I wasn't pleased with the way how it ended.
Of course, I don't think anyone was. That was the whole point. It was an open loop.
Yeah, well, I kept believing that he was still alive. So I said to Master and to Kaina and Lim and Sam, said that no, he's still alive. I think it's I think he faked it. I said,
You're just
wait, you
you're
guys
trying
just
to kid
wait
yourself,
until.
right?
Well, I believe in positive things, so
Right.
positivity.
It's open to interpretation, right?
Sorry.
So yeah, I'm gonna play a song from that. It's called "Always Remember Us This Way."
Oh, that one is so nice. Seb is saying marketers never sleep.
Hi,
Nice.
Seb.
Okay.
That
Everybody at home,
Arizona
make sure to sing
sky
along.
is burning in your eyes. You look at me, and babe, I wanna catch on fire. Buried in my soul, like California gold. You found a light in me that I couldn't find. So when I'm on John's carpet, I can't find words. Every time we say goodbye, baby, it hurts. So when the sun goes down and the band won't play, I'll always remember us this way. Lovers in the night, always trying to ride. We don't know how to ride, then we try. All I really know, you're where I wanna go. It's you, the part of me that never dies.
So when I'm thoughts. The sound went away. Hello everybody who just joined. I'm just making food. And Naiko is singing a song. Well, he was at least.
Are we back?
Yes, it was so funny because the sound stopped like
Hello?
after the first
man.
course. Music and food, what more can you ask for? Exactly. Well, you can ask for funnels. Hey Alice, how you doing?
Okay. I found a solution. I'll tell you. Ask me, Naiko, what's the solution?
What's the solution?
Turn my Wi-Fi on.
That helps, yeah.
Didn't
Okay, so
it does
after
help.
after the first chorus, you can resume.
Yeah.
And begin.
Okay, I'm gonna go from. Okay. And then lovers in the night.
Yeah.
Always trying to ride. We don't know how to.
Oh no, not again, right? So that's how it goes when you're listening. No, it's not working. We lost you. Hey, Amy. How are you? I remember the other day when you gave me a class in how to use, what's it called again? Guitar Pro. Yeah, I miss you too. And I kind of forgot how it worked and I had to uninstall it, but I need to go back to that as well. Hey, Apeksha wants to join. Okay, I've just accepted. Apeksha, now you're okay. So the way how this game goes. So the way how this game goes is now you resume where Naiko stopped. So this
Yes, I got the opportunity and I'm so grateful for this. And all the people who are watching right now, I'm such a big fan of Tjibaria. She's such a lovely and amazing soul. If you ever get the opportunity, please grab that and meet her in person.
Thank you so
Please,
much.
please do.
Thank you. And also, just quickly, thanks for your performance. We'll try again next time.
Yes, Naiko, it was made because I had the opportunity to talk with Tjibaria.
I think that Apeksha kind of manifested it.
Yes, my manifestation was aligned and was stronger than him.
Yeah. Well,
So give me the updates about your sandwich.
my sandwich?
Yes. How is the process going on? You're
Huh?
building the sandwich. Today I'm like listening something else apart from ClickFunnels. So yes, now I want to know about sandwich.
It's very simple. It's just this, look. Sandwich,
Wow.
avocado.
I'm so amazed. You cook too. Apart
Well,
from doing
this is
ClickFunnels.
not cooking. This is not actual cooking. I feel ashamed to show you this, but this is just me eating something light. If you want to see me cooking, then we'll need to have a proper meal to be created, an Indonesian meal. Very spicy.
Oh wow, that's great. That's great. That's great. But what is the favorite dish you like while cooking?
Oh gosh.
You are like, I don't like cooking, first of all.
My all-time favorite dish is sayur lodeh, which is so good. It's Indonesian. It's the best dish in the world. If you taste it, it's coconut flavor and it's spicy and it's, I think, well, you can make it vegetarian or you can even, I think you can make a vegan version. But the normal traditional way is with also fish in it. It's really nice.
Wow, if it's spicy, I'm surely gonna have it.
Yeah,
Because I'm kind of a spicy
with rice
lover.
and, oh, so good. It makes me hungry
Yes.
now.
Yes, I'm too
I'm
hungry
just gonna
now.
wash my hands.
I'm
and
like,
grab
I want to be with. Hello.
Okay, so Apeksha, you continue talking to everybody who's joining. I'm gonna wash my hands and grab a spoon
Yes.
in the meantime.
So
Yeah?
there are a few of my friends who have joined right now. Hi, Ritesh. Hi, Anun Matre. Hi, everyone. Guys, welcome. You are watching me live with my master Tjibaria, who is teaching me how to
Make a
build
sandwich.
a freedom lifestyle and also a sandwich right now. So not to skip on the sandwich. And we are talking about the delicious dishes from Indonesia.
Yes. And that dish, well, I've tried to make it a few times, but then I didn't have the proper ingredients because there's some very specific ingredients that need to go in, and I'm never able to find them here in the UK. So when my dad makes it,
Even my dad is a really amazing cook, and we girls are all fond of dads. And I can clearly see that all girls are fond of their dad. So even if your dad is not cooking, even if it gets some fruits for you, it's like, okay, you're getting the blessings out of it, right?
That's
We are
so
daddy's
true.
girl, basically.
Dads rock. Dads are the best in the world.
Yes, yes. And we have one more member here. Would you like to meet?
Apeksha, I have a
Yeah,
face
yeah,
mask
yeah.
on.
Go ahead.
What? You can't meet her right now.
I mean, it could be a good pattern interrupt if you want.
Yes, I'm just going to flip only for 2
Oh,
or
goodness.
3 seconds because
Okay.
I don't want to scare the people who are watching right now. So
Oh,
here we go.
yes.
1,
Oh my god.
2,
Oh my god.
come on,
Okay.
and 3.
Okay, I have a face mask on.
And here we are learning the self-care and the self-love.
Nice.
And this is how to treat ourselves.
Beautiful.
Yes.
Someone's asking what's the spread called. It's actually not spread. It's chili oil.
Chili oil. So
Yeah.
guys, please take a note while making sandwich. Tjibaria is using a bread, an avocado, and
Chili oil.
chili oil. And what
Just to
else?
make sure it's spicy. And then the final ingredient that I put is vegan cheese.
Yeah, and the final ingredients is, I don't know what she said, but it's a cheese.
Yeah, vegan cheese.
You guys should run
Cheeky
a-
cheese.
Oh my god.
No, vegan cheese.
Vegan cheese. Okay, so guys, please get the vegan cheese now because Tjibaria is using it, okay?
But the only reason why I'm using this is because I don't have that many things left in the house because I'm always in the house. So I'm gonna go food shopping.
Yeah, and I remember that day when we first met and we caught you and me, and I was with Shivagato, and I caught you while shopping, food shopping at the gas station. And to all the guys who are watching right now, I want to say that Tjibaria is working 24/7. Literally, she is working 24/7. I don't know when she sleeps, when she has the food. This is like first time I'm seeing her that she is making food. First of all, having food is on the another level. So It's like, how do you do this? How do you do this? What's the secret? What's the secret you want to do? What's the energy that you always keep on going with such a patience, such a love, such a kindness? What?
How could I not with such amazing students like you?
We are the free spirits, by the way, people who are watching. We are named as free spirits.
Yes, they are very free spirits. And for people who don't know what we mean by that, it's basically people that you say do one thing and they do something completely different.
That's true. So people, it's not that way. So you don't think anything in that way. What Tjibaria said, we are actually really beautiful soul, even if we are free spirit. Otherwise, people are, oh, free spirit. Oh, free spirit.
Free spirits indeed.
So,
vegan cheese.
yes.
Is the answer. Oh, nice. Yeah, that's the answer.
Vegan cheese. People love you. People love you, Tjibaria. See, they take note of each and every small thing.
You're too sweet. I'm gonna blush. Okay.
Oh, I love this one.
I'm sure. Ta-da!
Wow, that looks amazing.
It's very.
Brija, you want to have a look?
No, Apeksha, what is wrong with you? I look like an alien at this point with the silver face mask on.
Okay, the voice which you are hearing is about Brija.
She will be one of the most beautiful aliens.
Yes, beautiful aliens. I agree with that. So here is a beautiful alien.
Yeah.
And the alien has all his stuff all around.
Because she has
The
to clean.
spaceship just landed. And so everything got dumped over the bed. So alien is figuring out.
But the only reason I'm on this live is because I heard I was food. Well, we were like, for all of you who are listening right now, do you guys have the virtual function? Because if you click on the button below, it should be like a hamburger type button. Then I can stream food towards you.
Oh, really?
And you can taste it at home. No, just kidding. Oh, wow.
Half the stuff
Okay,
is
well,
gone.
guys,
Is this something I should test on?
No,
See, Tjibaria, is this something which I should test on?
no, but I have to go. I need to eat and I have another call and I have a lot of other commitments still and I need to go to bed early to get some good sleep for morning yoga.
Yes. And to all the guys who are watching right now, hey, hold on. It's over.
Oh, man.
So all the guys who are watching right now, Tjibaria is really a beautiful soul. And again, I'm going to say, if you have the opportunity to meet her in person, grab the opportunity, that moment itself. So I'm so grateful for having Tjibaria in my life. She is my master and she has taught me so many things. And I'm so blessed to have you. And now you can have your beautiful meal and
In peace.
in peace. And we both will take leave from all the beautiful guys who are watching us right now. Thank you so much, Tjibaria. And thank you all the people for joining
Thank you
us.
so much.
I
Thank you
love
so
you.
much and love you
love you
too.
so much.
And you are amazing. All of you are. Thank you guys for joining in.
Bye-bye.
Bye. So everybody, thank you so much for tuning in today. Big shout out to Apeksha and to Naiko for coming on live and blessing us with their beautiful spirits. And other than that, I catch you guys on tomorrow's episode of Tjibaria's Daily Show. But for now, I'm going to eat. Bye. Mwah.